Hi, my name's Dan Simmons. I'm the CEO and founder of a company called GD Worldwide, whose main product is Usync that I'm going to demonstrate for you in a second. My background is in the late 90s. I was at Universal Music in London, and then for the last 6 or 7 years I've been developing Usync in Australia. When I came to Australia, I joined an independent band that I'm still in called Gabriel's Day. And after touring around Australia several times, started to see that there was a whole bunch of artists that had similar issues that I'd seen at Universal, and that they were trying to connect and build one-on-one relationships with their audiences, but didn't have the know-how or the system or the technology to really help them do this. So we experimented a bit with Gabriel's Day, my band, and then after a while she realised there should be a common system that we've spent the last few years developing called Usync to really enable any artist, doesn't matter whether they're on a label or independent, to really manage and start to understand and build ongoing relationships with their audiences. So there's two aspects to Usync. There's the fan-facing side and there's the artist-facing side. I'll show you the fan side first. So really, from any web environment, the artist puts up this Backstage pass. Now this could be on their website, on their blog, MySpace, any social network, anywhere really where they want to say to their hardcore fans, send a message saying, look, if you really want to connect with us, then go backstage with us. So the fan will click and enter into the Backstage environment. Now you can see it's completely customizable to the artist's identity and brand. They're all very, very different, as unique as each artist is. After the fan's given their simple contact information, they can log in, and then they're backstage. Once they're there on the home page, the artist is really saying, well, why should you be here? Really giving them what's exclusive and unique to the Backstage area. And again in the blog is not just any old blog, it becomes the official place where the artist and the fans are talking to each other, and you can put video and audio in there. Similarly in the news becomes a place where the artist is breaking exclusive information and reviews and news to their fan base. So the fans feel that they're getting privileged information. Same thing with live, where live dates go up first in the Backstage area, and fans are able to purchase what we call VIP guest list tickets, so that they get exclusive access into shows, perhaps access to sound checks and real priority. In the download store, Usync, you're able to sell normal downloads, video downloads, ringtones, but crucially, as the artist, you can set all the prices. In the general artist store, where you sell physical products, so CDs, signed CDs, merchandise, t-shirts, again exclusive that you want to give to the fans first, and again the artist is setting all the prices. Now, UTEL is an area where artists and fans can really start to interact with each other. In UTEL Us, the artist is basically saying, look, we want to know what you think about remixes or artwork, or have you got photos from live shows? Please tell us. And you tell others, the fans are spreading the word and saying, look, this is what's great, you've got to come backstage, and really growing the audience for the artist. Now, the more that fans are doing backstage, whether it's through UTEL or through purchasing downloads, tracks, live tickets, they're getting creds. Now, creds are like points that they can then exchange in the cred exchange for remixes, interviews, bonus material, ringtones, anything that the artists feel have high value to the fans that are doing more. So you can see that the Backstage area becomes a place where a fan can feel that it has complete access into that artist. The artist can reward that fan with privilege, exclusivity, information, products that you can't get anywhere else, and really they can start to form that one-on-one relationship. Now, that's great from the fans' point of view. What we're excited about Usync is, from the artist's point of view, we then give them a secure, what we call the channel, which is a place where they can really start to understand, when we say artist, we could be the label, the manager, to understand what's going on inside that audience and inside that Backstage area. So from anywhere, there's a secure login. So you can see I could be managing several artists. I'm going to Gabriel's Day. I log in and I immediately get, in this control panel, a summary of everything that's going on backstage. The bandwidth that's being used, the rewards, the top rewards are being downloaded, top downloads, top products, what's going on inside the members and the campaigns. I can then, if I want to change or build anything in the Backstage area, we've made it very, very simple. I can simply go here and I can design all the pages. And anybody who's worked on the web before will be very, very comfortable with how you build. It's a simple WYSIWYG editor, drag and drop images in, and very, very simple to use. In the members, I want to actually understand what's going on inside my audience. I want to, let's say, for example, speak to fans that are in Sydney, Australia. And say I want to get more specific than that. I want to actually talk to 18 to 24-year-old girls. I'd simply search and I'd be able to find that specific section of my Backstage members, of my audience. And then I want to talk to them, so I want to send them campaigns. I want to send an email or an SMS campaign to offer those people particular promotion. So again, very similar, I go up to my campaigns, and from this I can send my SMS and mobile or email campaigns to whoever I want in my audience. Again, if I want to add products to my store in terms of merchandise, digital product subscriptions, this is where I can do it, and I can set all my price points. In the admin, I can really start to drill in terms of reports. I've got sales, I've got usage reports, I've got marketing strategies, where I can really start to understand and profile what's going on. So you can see from the fans' perspective, an artist's Backstage area is the ultimate place where they can connect, buy anything they want and get the access and exclusivity they deserve. From the artist managers or labels' perspective, a channel suddenly gives them the system and the tools to really manage and understand what's going on inside that audience. And we're really pleased we can now offer Usync to any artist, label manager in the world. You simply go to www.usync.net and you can apply for a channel now.